Okay. Ivy Bawa. Network. Maka. Maka. It's your boy Jay Munchie, and today's reaction, we gonna be checking out some Kurdish music. You know what I'm saying? This is a Kurdish music video. A BZ, slaw to all my Kurds. You know what I'm saying? Today we're gonna be reacting to Mr. Koresh, Azizi, and the song's called Maka. So without no further ado, let's get into this official music video. Director Mehdi and Masood, and with no further ado, let's get into it. Shout out to my ZAZA. Oh, I love that green. Hey. Ooh. Oh, okay, Mr. Koresh. Hey. Bog halagere, is that what he said? Bog halagere, maka. Shaza. Damn, the instrument though. Hey. Hey, DZ Kurdish. I like that. Gideon. Oh. Love the Oh, you ain't done yet? Home. What else? Ball kind of like it. Beautiful eyes. Okay. No, that's big facts though. You know what I'm saying? Or the Kurdish dress headpiece. I mean, they come from the Iranian culture. I mean, similar to the Iranian culture as far as fashion. You know what I'm saying? But there are Kurdish people that are mixed with Iranians. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, Kurdishes are I'm not gonna say Iranians, but I mean, I don't know. Iran used to be super big. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my Duranians. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my Kurds, you heard? And I hope you guys all enjoy this reaction video. If you love Kurdish music, no matter where you watch it from, smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Y'all watching Extraordinary Munchie and Mr. Koresh, Azizi. The song Maka is extraordinary. Nice. Awesome. Definitely highly recommend to listen to this again. I'm definitely gonna put this in my playlist, and let's smash that like button right now. All right. Let's see if we can read some. Can we read some comments real quick? I forgot about the comments. Let's translate to English. What he says, the sweetest thing. Yes, it is. I totally agree. Let me hit that like button. 362 on that. Like, I don't know why this song is famous in Saudi Arabia. I mean, maybe because you got some Kurds in Saudi Arabia, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe because the song is so similar to your Saudi Arabian music, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, he said, but a lot of respect and love from Kurdistan to Saudi, you know what I'm saying? I love you, Saudi Arabia. I love you too, Saudi Arabia and Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my Middle Easterns, the Far Easterns, you know what I'm saying? My Tajiks, you know what I'm saying? Long live long live Kurdistan free. I salute you from Saudi Arabia. Yeah, so let's stop it right there. So for those who don't know, Kurdistan is an occupied province right now in Iraq. You know what I'm saying? They are not Iraq people. Okay, they are not people from Iraq, meaning they're not Iraqians. Or hold up, you can't say Iraqian. How you call people from Iraq? What do you call people? Iraqian? What the hell? But anyway, the people that live in Erbil, Iraq, which is the capital, the province of Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying, autonomous province, autonomous state, make sure I say it correctly, you know what I'm saying, beautiful people, shout out to my Baluchi, you know what I'm saying, shout out to my Dalish, you know what I'm saying, shout out to my Persian people. You know, like, shout out to my Armenians and my Syrians, and of course my Kurdish and my ZAZAs. You know what I'm saying? You know who the ZAZAs is, the original Kurds. You know what I'm saying? And most of you Kurds, lost your true native tongue. You know what I'm saying? So let's learn some Kurdish together, baby. Some real Kurdish. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right.